Hey guys, it's Anushtha and welcome back to my channel.
And it goes a little something like.
Today is a very exciting video. I'm going to show you my studio apartment in Milan. So if you watched my previous video, you might know I moved to Milan for my masters. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very happy, very excited for this new journey, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So if you're new here and if you haven't subscribed, please guys go and subscribe right now. Without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the entrance to my studio apartment, and this is how it looks. I'm just gonna close the door. Okay, so this is the entrance. So this is the first part. It's like a living area here, and this kitchen right there. So guys, this is the living area. There's a sofa, blue color sofa, and there we have like an iron. और ये मैंने रखा हुआ है just like a cleaner right here. This is the living area, blue green, and then we're gonna move ahead. यहाँ पे kitchen है, and look, straight sunlight आ रही है. Love that. So this is my kitchen. Yes, I do cook. I have started cooking. So let me show you the kitchen. तो यहाँ पे मैंने सारे spices रखे हैं in these two boxes. Okay, so let me show you. It has all the spices. Okay, the spices, and this is also the spices. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा spices है मेरे पास. The bread, we have the olive oil, ghee, and little paprika powder, all of that. And then we're gonna like show you. And then here I have little food area. So we have pasta, Maggi, all of that. And there's also, I have all the spices right there, and more like a healthy stuff, my dry fruits and all. And I have little dals. Okay, so this is the area, and we have the induction. This is the induction, and पहले मुझे बिल्कुल भी cook करना नहीं आता था on induction, but now I've learned and super easy, and also it's like very safe. That's the cleaning area. So yeah, that's the kitchen, and let me show you. I have like a mini fridge right here. Okay, so we do not have a lot of stuff right now because we just moved in. Apples and all of that. Okay, so this is the fridge. I have like an oven. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I want to. Because I don't know how to bake and all, but let's see if I use it. That's the kitchen area. It's super cute. And there we have the dining area. How cute is this? Just look at it. And the walls are full green. We have two chairs, and on my dining area we have like a journal. So every day I write down when I get up, like whatever I have to do. So we have like banana chips. I bought it from Mumbai itself, और ये मैंने यहाँ से लिया है. I love it guys. ये इंडिया में मिलता है, but it's very expensive if you buy it from India. Yeah, I love these biscuits. It's super tasty. You should definitely try these ones. And also we have quite few, like 4 water bottles, because in Europe here you have to drink straight from the tap water. They don't have any filter or that. So like most of the people here, they get water bottles. So yeah, that's why. And they have like a tissue for cleaning. Just in the bowl I put potato, onion and garlic. Yes, see, I do cook. That's the proof. So that's the cute little like dining area, fully green, loving this green vibe. And that's for the kitchen, showed you, and that's the living area. Now we're gonna move on. So there's we have like a door, and I kept like a luggage. Luggage right here. So there comes the another part. So right here I have like kept all my shoes, my slippers, my sandals, all of that. So yeah, this is all what I got from India itself, and we have a little cleaning thing right here. And right in front of it we have the washroom. So I got this one, and let me show you the washroom. This is the washroom, and that's me. I love that it's very spacious, because you really can't find such spacious bathroom here, because last time when I was living in my apartment, the bathroom was so small. Like मुझे बाल धोने में problem होता था. But now it's very spacious. Very happy. Then we have the other part, and there comes my bedroom. Love it. It's very spacious. It's pretty good for one person. And that's the bed. Okay, first let me show you my closet. So right there I've kept my luggages, and you know when the door opens, even you can't see the luggages. So yeah, there's like a skipping rope. I have to start here. So that's my closet, and I love this huge mirror right here. And you can see बहुत ज़्यादा sunlight आ रही है वहाँ से. Love that. I'm loving, and also it's pretty aesthetic this room, and मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश की to make it a little more aesthetic. So let me show you the closet. So this is the closet. Okay, so here मैंने सारे अपने like pants, jeans वो सब रखा है. And here I have the tank tops. There's a night suit, my working clothes. And again I have a little bit more of like jeans, pants, and there I have my shorts and all. And this is like a bathrobe. And then I have another closet right here. And this is my second closet. And here मैंने अपने सारे like coat set रखे हैं and my dresses. So that's for it. And here all I have tops, shirts, and all of that. And right down I have all my bags. My bag, all of these are bags for the closet. Right here I have a table right beside my bed. I have my phone, my iPad, my laptop, and a book that I'm reading currently. I have like a cute little hand cream. In the drawer I have all my like books, my notebooks, because I love writing. My wallet and just like chargers and everything. And beside this I have other like stuff which is not really organized. Again, chargers and all of that. It's the bed area. So I literally bought the bed sheet and the quilt and everything. So we have the fan right here. So यहाँ पे there's no AC, nothing. So we have to work with the fan only. Exciting part is my makeup, skincare part. And look how aesthetic does this look. And we have a mirror right here also. Try to keep this very aesthetic. So right here I have all my skincare and my hair serum, my lippies, like my lip balms and all. And right here I have kept all my perfumes, and look how aesthetic does this look. I bought all these candles from right here. I love it, and I got this from India itself. I love these clips. When I'm applying makeup or something, I just wear it. I have another candle right here. Oh, let me just lit this candle. I have this vibe. For these candles, I don't really like use them because these are very cute. I don't want to use it. Here I have my makeup brushes, and here like I have my oil, makeup remover, sanitizer, and my home keeps, all of that. And here I just got this one, the stick on, and I have kept all my like jewelry. Let me show you the first drawer where I kept all my makeup. So yeah, this part I have all my blushes and tints. Okay, and I got these two from here itself. And then this part में है सारे मेरे like foundation, concealer, highlighter, bronzer, all of that. And in this pouch we have all my eyeshadows, bronzer, all of that. We have my setting powder, setting spray, eyelash color, and mascara and stuff. And this one I have like lip glosses and tints. So yeah, this one I have only lip gloss and tints. And this one I have all my lipsticks. You know, just very essential stuff right here. And in this part, all there are jewelries. और मैंने थोड़ा ऊपर से हेयर स्ट्रेच रख दिया, माई कोम एंड स्टफ काफ़ी खाली है. सो यहाँ मैंने अपने सनग्लास रखे हैं और थोड़ा क्योरिंग है, और मैं यहाँ पे सारे अपने मास्क रखे हैं एंड अदर लाइक मास्क. So yeah, but no, it's not to be shown because I have my laundry and all of that. And other exciting part of this apartment is that I have a balcony. Yes. So I always wanted a house with a balcony, and we have one. Let me show you. So this is the balcony. Okay, I have my towel hanging right here. Yeah, guys, that's my studio apartment. This is such a spacious studio apartment. I love that, and I will try to keep it like very aesthetic and very organized. Really waiting for winters because I can't deal with summers. It's super hot. I hope you guys enjoyed my studio apartment tour. Go ahead, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because there are a lot more fun videos coming your way. You do not want to miss them. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.